How to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. So if you want to do this, it's getting really difficult, right? Because if I just want to transfer it now, I can't do this. The problem is because there's no way you can transfer from Paysafecard to PayPal. But I found an option, and this is a genuine, you can just really use it, and I'm using for a very long time of period. Now, if I want to transfer from Paysafecard to my PayPal account, I can do this. So here in between there's come Dundle. So what is a Dundle? Dundle is a gift card website. So here I can just look for PayPal, right? And it will show me all the results here. And here you can also read this is a PayPal forum. Now here the same question it is. It is available to convert Paysafecard money into PayPal. And here you can see this answer is from the PayPal site. Most prepaid cards are now accepted in PayPal. It has a Visa or MasterCard logo. It should work. Try adding this card to your PayPal account and initiate the transaction to check if you will be able to pay with your PaySafe card. So you have to do the same thing if you don't want to use a Dundle, right? And just go to here PaySafe card, and here you might get an option. If there's a there's a option of Visa or MasterCard, right? It is powered by Visa or MasterCard, then you can use it over the PayPal. So here you can just go to pay and get paid. Now just go to the banks and cards here. And once you go here, scroll down, and here you can just link a card. Now once I go and click on link a card here, a new option will be figured out. And here you can just enter all the details, right? Basic card details. And then you will be able to add it. So this is how you can do. And thanks for watching this video till the end. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.